Lenovo today announced a pair of new laptops, the Yoga 730 and the Flex 14, which see a series of minor modifications in the design and receive the processors of the 8th generation of Intel. While there are no major changes this year, the 730 is getting a noticeable improvement to help it stand out. It has built-in far-field microphones so that it can support Alexa. Yoga 730 is very similar to last year's Yoga 720. Like all Yoga laptops, it has a touch screen and can switch to tablet mode. Starts with a price of around $900 but can go up much more if you specify it. And while it is a well-made laptop with an aluminum body, it is not as thin or light as what Lenovo offers in its Yoga 900 series laptops. This year, the 730 has received some nice but minor design adjustments. The back edge of the top and bottom of the computer now reaches a nice bubbling edge, and the hinge tilts down between them. That also allows some distance between the screen and the keyboard when switching to tablet mode, which is supposed to make the computer easier to hold.